Here we've got Samsung Galaxy M31, and let me show you how to set up default browser on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now go to the apps, right here, go to the more icon and select the default apps. And now here we've got browser apps, smoothly click on it, and now you can pick one from the following options. So you can choose either Opera or Chrome, and I will stay with Chrome. And now, as you can see, it has been set up. Obviously, you can change it whenever you want to, just mark it here and select Opera or any other browser that you have. So this is it, this is how you can activate default browsing app. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.